SolidWorks provides a fully defined sketch tool that we can use to automatically dimension a sketch. To access this tool, we can go to Tools, Dimensions, and select Fully Defined Sketch. Keep in mind that the Fully Defined Sketch tool can be launched at any time and with any combinations of dimensions and relations already added. Now, under the Fully Defined Sketch Property Manager, we can first specify what entities we wish to define. This can be all entities within a sketch, or only selected entities. For this example, I'll select all entities. You can combination of relations and dimensions. Here we also have the option of specifying the horizontal and vertical dimension scheme. You can select whether to add chain, baseline, or ordinate dimensions. I'll select these to be chain dimensions. You also can select whether what point or line these dimensions are referenced from. And I want all the dimensions to be placed below or to the left of the scale. Now, when I hit OK, we immediately see the dimensions are added and the sketch is fully defined.